But what about an atheist? What about a person who does not believe in God? How will you prove it to him? When I meet an atheist, first thing what I will do is congratulate the atheist. Many of the Hindus, they're Hindus because their fathers are Hindus. Many of the Christians, they're Christians because fathers are Christians. Many of the Muslims are Muslims because their fathers are Muslims. But this atheist is thinking. So I will congratulate him because he has believed in the first part of the kalima, la ilaha. When I meet any other non-Muslim or a Hindu, I have to waste my time in proving to him that the God which he's worshipping is wrong. Yeah, half my job is done. Only thing I have to do is illallah, but Allah and Muhammadur Rasulullah. And Muhammad is messenger, which I shall inshallah do. Now this atheist, he has the wrong definition, the wrong concept of God. For example, if I say this is a pen. So for you to prove that this is not a pen, you need to know the definition of a pen. If I say that this is a book, for you to prove that this is not a book, you need to know the definition of a book. So this atheist, he has a wrong definition of Almighty God. He hears many things about Almighty God, that Almighty God can be defeated, Almighty God can be killed. So he does not believe in Almighty God. So what we have to do is prove to him regarding the concept of God in Islam. And the best reply that any Muslim can give you regarding the concept of God in Islam is quote to Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4. Qul huwallahu ahad. Say He is Allah, the one and only. Allahu samad. Allah, the absolute, the eternal. Lam yalid walam yulad. He begets not, nor is begotten. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is nothing like unto Him. This Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4 is the touchstone of theology. Theo in Greek means God and logi means study. Thus theology means study of God. And if anyone says that so and so candidate is God, and if that candidate fits in this 4-line definition, we Muslims, we have got no objection in accepting that candidate as God. The first is Qul huwallahu ahad. Say He's Allah, the one and only.